looking at the data that we came in across all of the criteria that we were looking for in terms of symptoms, cases, hospitalization, and then also knowing what the timeline is going forward with respect to the testing. I just told you about the 200,000 tests that we should reach in May, and also the contact tracing capacity. And all of that work together, and also knowing that Louisiana is a hotspot state. And if you recall, back when the president released his plan for reopening America, he indicated that May 1st was a good date and that it would work for a lot of states, but not hotspot states. And there's not been a single conversation that I'm aware of in many weeks now, if you were talking about hotspots, where you didn't talk about Louisiana. And so it wasn't a stretch. Now, we were all disappointed because we were all hoping that when we sat down and looked at the 14 days worth of data, that we would have improved to the point where we could safely move to phase one. And that just wasn't the case. But another reason that informed the decision, and which I think led to it being unanimous with the senior staff, was that when we looked at how much of the economy we had left open in Louisiana to begin with, compared to some other states, that we already had considerable parts of our economy open. And again, yesterday we had reopened the non-emergency medical and surgical procedures. We had left retail open if they weren't essential, but hadn't been closed. And obviously we're talking there about bars and barbershops and salons and that sort of stuff. And that we had followed all of the CISA guidance, so that everything that CISA had determined, and now it's been through 3 iterations of their listing of critical infrastructure, had been left open as well. So for all of those reasons, we felt the right thing to do was to continue the stay-at-home order for 2 more weeks, make sure we didn't have a hotspot pop up until we had the ability, knew we had the ability to test it, and so forth. And then these 2 weeks just made sense from that perspective.